Definitely. And that, especially not too long after, probably 6 months after the site started getting a little bit of trickle of traffic. When I went back and looked at how I originally did stuff, I thought, wow, that was bad. And I redid all of it. And I started off with in a better way. I changed to conversational style writing. But yes, periodically I do go back and have to check stuff. And it's inevitable, I think, when you're learning and you get better a little bit at a time, you go back and you think, only something 2 weeks ago, you would have done it that way anymore. And you say, oh, I can improve this. Why don't I go ahead and do that while I'm here? I do like to do that. Yes, to answer your question. Yeah, definitely.
Okay. And do you have like a systematic way to approach that with 80 articles, different quality, different, time when you wrote them? How do you tackle that?
Well, like for example, right now I'm going back in and changing some relatively minor stuff. So in my Google Sheets, I've kept track of all my post URLs, yada, 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 dates, revision dates. I do it that way so I can check off what I have worked on and what I have not. And, if I need to add notes there, I can. I think that's some kind of organized way of knowing what you have, what you've done, and where you are if you need to go through the list.